Making money online and increasing your incomes has never been easier in this century because these days you are going to find different videos that explain to you different websites that provide to you methods of earning money online very easily. And in fact, today I'm going to provide you with one of the best websites out there in which will make you earn thousands of money and increasing your incomes very easily, and you don't have to have any experience or any skills at all. You will have to work by your own just by owning a laptop, and this is worldwide available, so you don't have to worry about in which part of the world you're living right now. The only thing that you have to do is just listen carefully to each step that I'm going to explain to you, so at the end of this video you will be capable of doing this work by yourself. Now, without wasting any more time, I want to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so in this way you will never lose any video, any new method that I'm going to publish over here in which you will earn money online. Now, let's jump into more details about this website, this new website that I'm going to show you, and how easily it will be to earn money through this website. The website is called Yazing, and I have also made a full tutorial about Yazing in another video, and you can go over there and watch that video, but still it's the same thing. I'm just creating another video about Yazing because I want to convince you guys how good it is and how amazing it is as a website. Now let me provide you with some information about Yazing. So Yazing is just a website in which people can shop different brands and stores. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you are going to see the top brands that Yazing is promoting, like Walmart, Hotels.com, Dell, BarkBox, Wine.com. Now here you are going to see that they provide 4,453 different brands, which mean that you have a bunch of different brands in which will be necessary for us to earn those money. Now I'm going to show you the two methods in which Yazing will provide to you in order to earn those money. You are going to earn money with buying or shopping, and also by promoting. So the first one is getting paid to shop. Yazing pays you cashback rewards on everything you buy online and provides the current deals and coupon codes for the top brands and also stores. But the best method that this website provides to you is promoting. You know, I mentioned in many different websites about affiliate marketing strategies, how good it is, and I think it is one of the best ways to earn money online in 2022, guys. So I want to show you how Yazing make it much easier for you to earn those money. So you are going to get paid to promote, and you are going to promote the brands and stores that Yazing has. So Yazing also pays you cash rewards when you promote any brand deal or coupon page with others, and your influence generates sales. But what is another good benefit from this website is that you are going to get your payments very fast. And I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your payments. Yazing sends your money directly to your PayPal account as soon as we are paid by the brands and stores, no minimum and no fuss. Now, after getting all of this information, I want you to click on join now to become part of Yazing and start working. By clicking on join now, you will have to fill out the following fields with your username, email, password, confirm password, and then click on register now. After clicking on register now, you will have to go over to your email and activate and verify your account. After doing that, you will be ready to start working and earning those money. Or you can join with Facebook, which is much easier and much quicker. Now, as soon as you become part of Yazing, you are going to see your dashboard, which looks like this. Over here, you will see all the brands that will make you earn money just by promoting them. But you can also earn money, as I said, by shopping. So you can shop to them and earn money, but at the same time you can promote those brands and earn money. And I'm going to show you more details and also give you an example. But first, let me tell you how you can withdraw the money that you are going to get from here. So you are going to click on the name at the top bottom over here, and then click on edit profile. After doing that, you will have to put some user details like your first name, last name, address, city, state, country. And you're going to give account details like email used for payouts, enter passwords, re-enter passwords, and then you will be ready to start working. Now, as I said, I'm going to give you an example how you're going to work with Yazing. So first, at your dashboard over here, you are going to choose a brand that you are going to promote. I'm going to get the Bluehost as an example because, as you can see, you are going to get paid $65 from Bluehost for promoting them. Just click on Promote to Earn, and here you are going to get the affiliate link in which you are going to use. But where? Of course, you need a traffic source for that. You can just not send it to your familiar or your relatives or your friends because that won't be enough. And especially we need people who have a lot of money and will spend over here at Yazing. So I'm going to show you where you can find big traffic source in which you can put your affiliate link and get passive incomes each day. So that website is called answers.com. As you know, guys, people these days search on Google just by asking questions, and the first thing that they pop up to them is an answer, and that answer is provided at this website called answers.com. Let me show you at SimilarWeb how much visits does this website get. As you can see, it gets 6 million total visits. Now the top countries are United States, United Kingdom, Philippines, India, and Canada too. Now what I will need you to do is go over to Answers and create an account. After creating it, I want to show you how many people have asked about best hosting services over here. And as you can see, they have made different questions and they have got the answers. Now, I don't want you to go over and respond to those questions by putting the affiliate link because it will be much harder for you to earn those money. What I will need you to do is just create another question in which will be about best hosting services. So create over here and create a question. After doing that, you are going to create a question which will be like, which are the best hosting services providers in 2022? After doing that, you are going to answer by yourself the question by creating another account and responding to it. And you are going to make a comment just by putting the affiliate link like this. And you are going to give some information what they are going to get from this service of Bluehost. And for each person that is going to click the affiliate link, you are going to get $65. That will be the greatest passive incomes out there. You are going to get so much money, and you're going to let the affiliate link over there, and for each click you're going to get $65 per minute, per hours, per weeks. It doesn't really matter because as you saw by yourself, that page got so many visits, and for each visit you're going to get a lot of people clicking your affiliate link. Now guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also give a like to this video.